Have you ever wondered how technology is shaping our world? In the realm of digital innovation, Thompson Professional Networks, LLC stands as a beacon of progress. A company that doesn't merely offer IT services, but architects the very future of technological solutions. I'm Ryan Thompson, and today we're about to uncover the exceptional services offered by Thompson Professional Networks. First, let's visit the world of automated pharmacy. Picture this: a world where your prescriptions are filled with unmatched speed and precision. That's the reality Thompson Professional Networks has crafted. They've leveraged technology to streamline the pharmacy experience, ensuring your medication arrives exactly when you need it with absolute accuracy. Next, we step into the realm of automated retail kiosks. In our fast-paced world, convenience reigns supreme. Thompson Professional Networks knows this all too well, pioneering automated retail kiosks that redefine the shopping experience. These kiosks cater to your needs swiftly and efficiently, making your retail experience not just smooth, but enjoyable. Lastly, but by no means least, we have home and office automation services. The future is already here, and it is automated. Thompson Professional Networks harnesses their expertise to transform your home and office into a hub of convenience and efficiency. Simply imagine controlling your environment with a touch or a voice command. That's the level of comfort Thompson Professional Networks brings into your life. So, how do you reach these technological masterminds? Simply contact Thompson Professional Networks at 888-264-6790. Or if you're more digitally inclined, send them a message online. In summary, Thompson Professional Networks LLC isn't just a provider of IT services, they're game changers, they're innovators, reshaping the way we interact with technology. Whether you're a business seeking to refine operations or an individual in search of convenience, Thompson Professional Networks is your answer. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of Thompson Professional Networks. Don't hesitate to reach out and experience the future of technology today.